Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes is a must. Let's jump right into this video. I'm going to show you how I get these crispy salmon. So here I added 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. I'm going in with half tablespoon of adobo all-purpose and half tablespoon onion powder and half tablespoon garlic powder, and give that a mix, swish. And then we're gonna do what? Plaster it all over these salmon. So I have 4 pieces of salmon. Let's start with the back, right? Get it all over the back because we're gonna do it front, back, side to side, front, back, and side to side. we're gonna we're gonna get the seasoning everywhere, right? So go ahead and rub it on there because you don't know what is it gonna be. Rub a dub dub, Mr. Rub a dub dub, and a rub and a dub and a rub. So yeah, that's gonna be it. Just rub it all over the salmon, right? And because the thing is, you can only use, if you're the type of person you only want salt and black pepper, guess what? Go for it. You can do that as well. That is fine. But yeah, I'm even going to take it up a notch. So this is it without the extra niceness. Now I'm adding some of my blended seasoning. Vibes fam. This is so nice. This makes it so extra flavorful, right? So I will link the video down below of how I made this. So yeah, let's go ahead and fry the salmon now. Get some hot oil. So we just need it to brown and to crisp, right? So don't do what I'm doing right there where I put my hand in the pot. Maybe you don't want to do that. But listen, do what you got to do. So yeah, let's turn them over. Look at that beautiful color. Look at the listen. And Vibes fam, listen, just like 2 minutes on each side or 3 minutes, right? And then take them out there. Look, oh, that looks so good. You can tell. Look at the crispy skin. Oh my goodness, love. And 1 piece is left, so let's fry it. And Vibes fam, here we have it. Crispy skin, crispy salmon, all the way of the crispiness of the crispiness. But thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. God bless you.